Okay, so here are two Bryant Legacy line heat pumps running. There's this one. Get the footage off. The next one's running. That one's been running for a while. This one's just started up. It's got a culprit scroll, and I will try to get this one starting up. I have until it's like 6:45, something like that. Wilson valve, culprit scroll. There's the fan motor. I just hit my head on that. It is from the 15th week of 2015, 5 ton. There's an R429 refrigerant, I think. Or it might have fuel on, I don't know. It's already nice and cold. It's not sweaty yet. And here's this one. It's got a culprit scroll. There's the fan motor. The big broad ocean it's intact. It's already nice and cold. It's also not sweaty. It's probably not humid. It doesn't sound as good as that one. It is from the 27th week of 2015, 510. So that means that one is older than this one. Now it's on the 14th week of 2014. This one is from the 16th week of 2014. So that one is older than this one. So that's the oldest, second oldest, third oldest, fourth oldest. So yeah. So I tripod here. I'm gonna try to get one of them starting up. Yeah. There were two 2015 Bryant Legacy line heat pumps running. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.